Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we have discussed what is cloud platform, and in this video, we will understand what is Google Cloud Platform. So Google Cloud is a suite of cloud services hosted on Google's own infrastructure. Using this, you will be able to build, deploy and scale application on Google's global infrastructure. So Google Cloud Platform provides computing, storage, networking, data analytics, machine learning and security over the internet. So it offers a wide variety of services and APIs, nearly around 200 plus services that can be integrated with any cloud computing applications or project from personal to enterprise grade. So it is essentially the same infrastructure that Google uses internally to run its own massive products like Google Search, Gmail and YouTube. So when you use GCP, you're renting access to the same high-speed cables, data centers, and smart technologies that powers Google's own empire. So in short, GCP is nothing but cloud in Google's ecosystem. And one important point to notice when you are using Google Cloud Platform, you pay only for what you use. So it supports pay as you go pricing model. So GCP includes services across all the cloud models as we discussed earlier, which includes infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, container as a service, function as a service, and software as a service. So under infrastructure as a service, we have virtual machines, storage, and networking. The next one is platform as a service. So under this, we have App Engine. So this is the first product Google Cloud launched in the year 2008. Moving on to the next one, we have Container as a Service. Under this, we have Cloud Run and Google Kubernetes Engine. Moving on to the next one, we have Software as a Service. Pretty much all the other services like BigQuery, Dataproc, Dataplex, Dataflow, Firebase, Vertex AI fall under this cloud model. And finally, we have Function as a Service. So under this, we have Cloud Run functions. Earlier, it was referred to as Cloud Functions Gen 1 and Gen 2. Recently, it got renamed to Cloud Run Functions. Just like any other cloud platform, with GCP, you can host your websites, store data, and also you can do analytics on top of it. Google Cloud Platform is famous for three specific things. First one is data and analytics, a very popular service called BigQuery, which is nothing but the enterprise data warehouse. So Google builds its business on searching and organizing the world's data. The next one is AI and machine learning. Since Google invents much of the modern AI technology, where T in ChatGPT stands for transformer, which is again a Google invention. And also apart from this, Google has its own AI model, that is Google Gemini. Recently, Gemini 3 was launched. And moving on to the next one, this is very important, the global network. So Google owns one of the largest private networks of fiber optic cables under the ocean. So these cables make their network faster and with lower latency when you compare with other networks. So the next point is we have to understand who uses it. So Google Cloud is often the choice for companies that are cloud native or rely heavily on data and AI. For example, Spotify. So Spotify uses GCP to analyze the listening habit of millions of users to create, discover weekly playlists. The next one is Snapchat. Snapchat runs its massive messaging infrastructure on Google Cloud Platform. And the third one is X, formerly known as Twitter. It uses GCP for data processing and analytics. Apart from this, there are many other companies who uses Google Cloud Platform as their cloud infrastructure. Now we have to answer the question, what is the secret sauce which makes GCP different from its competitors like AWS and Microsoft Azure? So if AWS is the general store that has everything and Azure is the corporate headquarters that fits perfectly in the Windows, Google Cloud Platform is the innovation lab. It is the go-to place for high-tech companies that want to use big data and AI to build smarter applications. So this is all about Google Cloud Platform, and in the next video we'll be discussing what is Google Cloud hierarchy. I'll see you there. Happy learning.